The Jamaica Rifle Association may soon get its wish to use its dome facility to train junior shooters for Olympic competition after Prime Minister Andrew Holness visited the site on Saturday.
Given the intense debate between Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang and Senator Shireen Golding Campbell during a sitting of a Joint Select Committee on Parliament in March over a proposal for the Firearms Licensing Authority, the FLA, to issue gun permits to minors for specific activities, it was surprising Prime Minister Andrew Holness was in attendance for a JRA launch on Saturday. But the Prime Minister made his views known.
It is not the intention of the government to see the end of the Rifle Association or persons who want to participate in the various sporting activities to put an end to that. No, the intention of the government is to properly structure and regulate firearm ownership and usage in Jamaica.
The committee, which is reviewing the Firearms Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act 2022, was examining a submission from the Jamaica Rifle Association to lower from 16 to 12 years the minimum age for someone being granted permission to legally use a firearm.
My presence, as I said here today, is to send a clear signal to the country that the new firearms legislation will, one, promote and support the legal usage of firearms. It will promote the various sporting competitions that exist around the use of firearms.
As it stands, the JRA has its hands tied as it argues that due to the Jamaican laws, the country is behind the rest of the world when it comes to developing young competitors.
The dome was actually constructed 10 years ago for the purpose of air rifle and air pistol. It's an Olympic sport, and we have been waiting to use this venue. I'm very thankful that the Prime Minister visited it today, and we're looking forward to having this program developed with our young 12, 13, 14-year-olds to start the process of training for the Olympics in this venue.
But now Major John Nelson sees light at the end of the tunnel.
I'm confident, very confident actually, that in discussions with the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security, that he will accept our discussions on the utilization of this building for air rifle and air pistol training.
The association argued that at the international level, like the Olympics, competitors in shooting sports are very advanced at the age of 16, while Jamaican competitors are still at the beginner stage. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.